everything going on in the world today, you are blessed to make it to 2022. You have a lot to be thankful for and celebrate. It is important to celebrate safely to protect yourself and others. Celebration is about love, friends, family, and food. Here is a tablescape to help you celebrate in style, and most of the products that you see are from Dollar Tree. I placed a black charger on the table from Hobby Lobby, followed by a black and white plate from Dollar Tree. I copied the clock that is almost ready to strike midnight and cut it out and placed it on top of the plate. A clear salad plate is placed on top of the clock so you can see the time and paper clock. I folded the white napkin with a pocket to place the knife, fork, and spoon inside and placed it beside the plate. The coasters are slate, and you can write on them if you want to, and they're from Michael's, with a Dollar Tree plastic snowflake on top to grace the crystal stemware. An individual sparkling cider is at each place setting for every person. I decided to make a nameplate from a party hat. I traced the pattern and cut it out and glued it together. After the glue was dry, I cut 2-inch strips of wrapping paper. The wrapping paper was black, silver, and had a little tinge of gold in it. I glued it together. After the glue was dry, I cut the paper so it would look like fringe and glued it around the hat. At the top of the hat, I did the same, except I cut it a bit longer and inserted it at the top to look like a sparkler. And it was finished off with the alphabet of the person who will be sitting at that chair. Now on to the centerpiece. It consists of 4 Dollar Tree round cylinder vases. I lined them up. I had some shredded black paper that I put in each vase, and LED wire lights were strung from vase to vase with the battery component put in the last vase and covered with black shredded paper. Next, some Dollar Tree sticks were wrapped in silver adhesive. And then I used my Big Shot to cut the numbers 2022 and put them in each vase. 2 Dollar Tree candle holders were put on each side of the vases that held tea lights. And if you look up, hanging above the tablescape includes snowflakes from the Christmas tree and icicles that light up from the Dollar Tree of 3 years ago. So you can have a gorgeous tablescape with a vision, DIYs, and things from your local $1.25 store. However, everything was $1 when purchased 3 years ago. So, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment if you like. This has been a fun year with all the DIYs, collaborations, and new friends I have met on this platform. Thanks to all who have watched my videos in 2021. Happy New Year, blessings, and good health to you all. And remember, be the reason someone smiles today. So, I am signing off for 2021. Lovingly, Z9 Designs.